Alright guys, Georgia Jim. Got this metal here from Dr. Hogmaster. It's got a pretty nasty keyway on it. There's the bitting on the key, a lot of high lifts. I don't really know much about this lock. It's not too bad. I picked it once off video just a minute ago. I want to go heavy tension with an 18 thousandths hook. Start in the back. I think it was 6 or 5. Alright, that was 5 there, I believe. It's 1 binding, I believe. Yeah. Alright, got a little bit of false set. False set just got deeper. I think I just hit it on 3. Let's check 5. Last time I picked it, 2 was the one that gave me counter rotation, so I guess there's more than one spool in here. Let's see if we can recover. Six feels good. 5, 4. 3 feels good now. Let's go back and set 1 again. Alright, 1 is set. Six is binding in the back. There we go. So that put up a lot more fight that time. Let's get it gutted and see what's in it. I don't imagine anything more than the standard and spools, but you know, we got to do this. It's got a little funky clip on it. Is that stretch or is it bend? That bends. All right. Let me grab a shim, because I will mess something up. I'm not trying to brick any more locks this week. That's actually pretty tight. I can't. There we go. That should be enough to avert disaster if I don't drop it everywhere. Is this even the right size follower? There we go. I don't know why that was not wanting to cooperate. Everything's kind of real loose and falling out of this thing, so I don't think the tolerances were great. Nothing done to the core. Let's see. It'll help or not. Trying to find something to shine for that keyway. There you go. Pretty nasty little keyway on that. Alright. Should be a standard on 1. Should be a spool on 2, I know. Felt that one. Standard on 3. Spool on 4. Standard on 5, which I thought gave counter rotation. It must have been 4 I was hitting. Yeah, so standard spools on 2 and 4. Standards on 1 through 6. I'm not dropping springs. And there's nothing in the cylinder, no sidebar, anything like that to look at. So that's the metal. I'm not sure of the model. X6V maybe? This was on the key. So, alright. Thanks for watching.